cool, whatever. All right, horrible time to do an update, but that's okay because it's YouTube. Who cares? I've been working on my mini truck. When I got it, I paid $300 for it, and it needed a new clutch. So I bought a new flywheel, new clutch, new master cylinder, and new slave cylinder, because why not, and tore it apart. So of course, while you're in there, you might as well change the rear main seal because you're already taking it off. So I pulled the rear main seal, and while I was at it, because I had to pull the drive line out, I started messing with the back end, and I replaced the rear bushings with polyurethane bushings, and I replaced the rear shocks with the Honda Odyssey shocks in preparation for lowering it more. On the front end, I did put the Pinto shocks on, which have the built-in bump stops, so I removed the factory bump stops and just cranked on the torsion bar some more. I just couldn't help myself. I always fiddle with it. Here's where she's at right now. Got the Weber carb, which was a lifesend, godsend, lifesaver. Amazing little things. Big ass battery, fuel pressure regulator, no mechanical fan. Did the 240 water pump swap, and then I did electric fan. Added the T right here, which has the temperature that turns the fan on and off. So stays nice and cool, easy peasy. Did the EGR delete, so there's no emissions stuff over here anymore. Oh, this is my nice kinked bent pipe right here. But yeah, all the emissions and EGR stuff is gone, including the catalytic converter, because duh, mini truck. Bike in the back. That one has a starter problem. I gotta pull it out. Anyways, interior wise, tack gauge, little sticker bomb stuff. Did a switch panel here for the lights in the bed of the truck and the overhead light. More sticker bomb stuff. Still got to put the rubber gasket back on. Seals that up. But I dropped one of the bolts down there and I don't know where it went. It's that one. I dropped it straight down and somehow it's just lost in the ether of wherever lost things go. It fell down here, and I've cleaned the whole area down there and I just cannot find where it went. Somewhere. Anywho, so, you know, one thing leads to another. That's why it has racing seats in it now, because the original ones smelled like an old dog. And when I replaced them, I put racing seats in it, because why not? So there's my update. That's what I got going on. I guess the next stage is the lowering blocks on it now are 3-inch lowering blocks. So I'm going to put 4-inch lowering blocks with that 2-degree bevel to it. And that's when I'm going to cut the bottom of this off and relocate up and forward a little more. But that'll be a project in and of itself. Possibly remove the center leaf spring. I hear that's a good way to lower it a little more, but again, I got to do a little research, find out. New wheels, tires, yada yada yada. It never ends. Peace.